Hello everyone, welcome to IT CS Master. I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to see 23rd part of ongoing Excel series. We have already completed 22 parts and previous video we have seen VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP. If you have not seen yet, please see and visit. And today our topic is XLOOKUP. Okay, XLOOKUP is the advanced formula and currently it is available with the latest version of MS Excel series. Okay, it is not available in old version of Excel series. Okay, Excel software. So let's begin. And before proceeding, if you want to see this, XLOOKUP video in Hindi format, then you can find description link in description box. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share with other users. And if you need this working sheet, okay, every video, if you have seen previous video, so you can download this working sheet from our Telegram channel. Okay, link is mentioned in description box. So let's begin. First, we compare VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and XLOOKUP. Okay, what is the difference between VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and XLOOKUP? So first is lookup value. Lookup value. If in VLOOKUP we find in look value in vertical manner. Okay, we find value this type. Okay, and in HLOOKUP we find value in horizontal manner, this type, row in row. And XLOOKUP we can find value in both. Okay, vertical and horizontal manner. Search value. In VLOOKUP we find value from left side. Okay, you can say first column. And HLOOKUP we find value from first row, top row. And in XLOOKUP we can find value left and right as well as top and down. Okay, left, right, top and down. Okay, now next is range. If we find value, okay, you can, if you have seen previous video, so you can understand easily this. And what is range? Matlab range means single column. We find value of single value in a single column. Okay, we find a single value in a single column. Similarly, with HLOOKUP we find a single value from a row, single row. Okay, but in XLOOKUP we find value with all data in a single row as well as single column. So let's begin. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, just post your comment. Okay, so let's start. Suppose I have some value here. I am taking a validation. If you have, if you are not aware about validation, please see see our previous videos. Here I am taking list. Okay, list range. Here suppose I am taking this order number. Okay, and list. Okay, I am taking it. Here you can see I am taken. Okay, I have taken value from right side. Okay, right side in vertical manner. If we see in VLOOKUP, then we take value from left side. Okay, but in XLOOKUP we can take left side as well as right side. Okay, so here, so I want to find a value all quantity. Okay, against this order, all months quantity against selected order number. So let's start. Here XLOOKUP, here you can see definition of XLOOKUP. Search a range or array. Okay, search a range of an array for a match and return the corresponding item from a second range or array. By default an exact match is used. Okay, here you can see, here we have a three value to find XLOOKUP. First lookup value, second is lookup array, third is return array, if not found, match mode and search mode. Okay. Last third value is a optional. Optional means you can use or or can't use. Okay. But first three value is a mandatory. This is a x lookup value, lookup array, and return array. So today we will see only first third value, and in next video we will see remaining values. Okay, with remaining values. So first it is asking lookup value. Okay, what is lookup value? Lookup value means which value, okay, we want to find. Suppose I want to find this value, selected value. Okay, this column selected value. Then I can lookup array. Lookup array. Okay, lookup array means which array, matlab which data, from which data. So here I've selected this data. Okay, lookup array means this array. Now next is return array. Return array here where, from where data to be, from where data to be returned. Okay, so data to be written from here. Okay, data to be written from here, and enter you. Here is a not applicable. Not applicable means I have not select. Okay, I have not selected any value. Suppose I selected 5001. Here you can see answer is 240. Okay, 240 January 9538 Feb. Here you can see all value. Okay, similarly if you want to find other 5006, here you can see 5006 78227. So January is 56 and 10938932572. Similarly if you want to find 5004, so here you can see. So here you have noticed it result. Okay, if you have noticed here we have a sorry, here we have all values. Okay, okay, we have all values of selected value. Okay, now similarly if we go with VLOOKUP, so let's compare. If similarly we go with X VLOOKUP, then what will happen? Here you can see VLOOKUP, lookup value. Similarly I have given this, and table array. Suppose I am giving this table array. Okay, table array. Column index means single column index. Suppose I want to find a single column is April month only. So here I can take only a single column value. Okay, here I have selected single column value. Here is the not applicable because it is not support. Okay, it does not support right side. Okay, it does not support right side value. If here I change, okay, here if I change uh, lookup value, then answer is now again reference is not matching, and I'm selecting again. Here A4 is a lookup value, and table here where we have to find value. I have to find value from here. Okay, I've selected, and now column index. Okay, because VLOOKUP I have not taken range lookup. Okay, column index. Suppose I need a January month value. Okay, column index means 2. Sorry, column index means 2 number column, and true exact match or approximate. मुझे I need exact match. Then answer. Here you can see 8000. Okay, here you can see 8000 A4 value of A4. A4 means 1 2 3 5 1. Here the value is 8000. Similarly, if you want to change, oh sorry, if I want to change 6, then you can see 40. Okay, I hope it is clear. It return only single value. Okay, and it return from left side. Okay, vertical manner. But VLOOKUP, using VLOOKUP, oh sorry, XLOOKUP, we find value from right side with all value of selected value. Okay, all value of selected range. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, just push or comment. Similarly, if Also we can find single value with single value with x lookup, similarly with v lookup. Okay, let's see. uh, X lookup. Okay, here x lookup. Suppose lookup value is suppose I want to find this lookup value is 46053, and here lookup array. Suppose I need a lookup array. My lookup array is this. Okay, lookup array is this, and return array from where I want to value. Okay, suppose I want to value from this column. Okay, I want to value from this column. I select this column. Okay, and close. Here you can see 40. So here is the main difference is with x lookup you can use v lookups. Okay, but with v lookup you can't use x lookup formula. Okay, so it is the main difference, and x lookup is the most important and advanced formula. Okay, now we use use x lookup with row. Okay, here I find value with you can say with column. Here we will find a with value with row. Okay, so with row, suppose again I am taking a data validation, and here you can, I'm selecting the range. Suppose I find this value. Okay, I want to find this value, and okay, selected. Now I use okay. Now I use, suppose I need January quantity. Okay, suppose I need January quantity, all January quantity. So x lookup. Okay, x lookup value this. Okay, and lookup array I need. Okay, January value. So my lookup array this. Okay, my lookup array this, and return array. Suppose return array means I want value from this. Okay, and enter. Here you can see not applicable because I have not select any value. Okay, here I have not selected any value. Here I select suppose 5. Here you can see I have all value. 5 months 9538. It's a matlab round of value. Okay, point, and 1648. Similarly you can use April month, June month. Here you also can mention order number to make easy. Okay, here you can see. I hope it is clear. If you end out, just post your comment. In next video we will see advanced. With advanced means we will cover other three values. Okay, remaining three values. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share. And if you want to download this working sheet, if you need this working sheet, you can download this from our Telegram channel. Okay, thank you. Dhanyavad.